Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are all doing super well. I've missed you all so much, and I am here today to share with you guys a bit of a closet reorganization. I desperately need one. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's dive in. Let's dive into my closet, which is, he's over there. Already got a box pulled out for donations. Pregnancy clothes that you put away, probably some stuff in there that's also going to be donated. And let's go over to, ooh, tripping over cords. Let's go over to my closet. Ta-da! This looks like pretty well organized actually. It's this. Oh, and I stuffed it in there so that, you know, it would look okay for you guys. I tried. I honestly, you know what? Let's just sit down. Let's just sit down for a second, okay? I feel like over the last, I don't know, maybe 6 months, I've really honed in on what my aesthetic is. It's very athleisure, it's very comfy cozy, very like sweats and croppies and just chill pieces like that. That's more my style. I still have stuff in here, not only from high school, like ripped, torn, gross sweatpants that I should not own anymore. I still have those. I have clothes that don't really fit me and I still hold on to them, and I feel like they deserve a good home. You know, maybe not the old ripped sweatpants. There's like recycling programs. I should probably donate those too. Or maybe do some upcycling projects. I've seen so many videos recently that have really inspired me. So, I mean, this is all gonna be one video, but today, or really this evening, I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my phone, I don't know where it is. First of all, I want to declutter. And the first part of decluttering, I just want to get rid of, very like Marie Kondo style, just like get rid of things that don't bring me joy, that I don't love, I don't know, I haven't reached for in a really long time, that immediately, without trying on, I just want to donate. And I want to do that first, maybe get some things to better organize it that I've seen online. I've been watching so many videos, guys. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, doesn't matter, I've been watching them all. But I feel like that's where I want to start. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to start pulling stuff out of the closet that I want to donate, like right meow. Give me your big box. So I think the first thing I want to do is trying to go through all of this. I first want to take out everything that is pregnancy related and kind of sort through all that, any donations I want to make, all that kind of stuff. All right, that's all the pregnancy stuff that I can see thus far. Just this stuff, right? Oh, no.
Probably some stuff over here.
All right, let's go sort this.
I try to get by something that I'm not into. My mind is
oh my gosh, guys, I am making progress. This is everything all folded up all nice, donating a bunch of stuff. Let's keep going. I need to know if anyone else is like this and has so many pairs of jeans and never wears jeans. Like, why do I do this to myself? And why do I have them hanging up and taking up like precious space in my closet?
my mind is paralyzed. Don't care, I just might pack my bags and take off tonight.
All right, update on the clothing donations. I'm feeling really good and really happy with the progress that I'm making so far. I feel a lot less stressed. I'm feeling like I'm making a lot of really good progress. So let's go on to the disaster that's behind that closed door. In here, right in here. Ugh, not looking forward to this. This is absolute insanity. I cannot believe how much stuff was packed into that one little cubby hole. This is so embarrassing. How did this happen? I don't understand. Not gonna lie though, this process is very calming. Like just going through and being like, I don't wear this anymore, and feeling confident about it. Game changing. You know what? Let's try some of this stuff on. All right. This is what I was wearing today. We have Misguided and I don't know, I think this is like Boohoo or something. Let's try on some items and just see what we're working with here. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Okay, let's try something else. That one. No, close. Hold on. This one. Okay, that's much better. I think like the high neck, you know? I think we like it. Okay, what about these? Do we like them? They're like those big baggy pants. I bought them while I was pregnant, and then my belly got too big and I couldn't fit them anymore. I still have the tag on them. Like, obviously not with these socks. That part's I was thinking like a loafer or something would be kind of cute. I think I'll probably keep them though. They're still kind of cute. I like them. All right, let's try a little. I don't know the word. Drop. All right, back in my regular apparel. Honestly though, I 100% live in this stuff. Let's go back to the closet and clear out the last couple of bins. We are so close, guys. If I can get through these and like the drawers, I will be really happy.
Pack my bags and take off tonight.
You guys, I finally found the pants. I found the pants that I have to get rid of. These are the pants. These are pants that I live in. Almost like as soon as they're out of the wash, I put them on. I've stepped on them so many times. They are fully ripped. I feel like I got these in maybe high school. I feel like it's time to let go of these pants so they may go on to a new home as a rag. Goodbye, pants. Goodbye. I love you, pants. Love you forever. Thank you for the wonderful memories. I'm not emotional. You're emotional. They're just pants, Rachel. Okay, guys, I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with how we did on day one. Day one. I still have a lot of stuff to try on. I have a lot of organization to do. I'm gonna buy a couple of things that I feel like are going to make a big impact in how things are organized. So I'm gonna make those purchases and we'll be back for more trying on and organizing. Day two. Hello, we're back. How are you guys doing? Day two. Today is a try and close day, including all those jeans that I have inexplicably in my closet. I've also given some thought to how I want to organize the closet and move things around. Ordered a couple of things that I want to test out in terms of a better organization system as well. It's gonna be a great day, except for the trying on jeans part. I'm not looking forward to that, but I feel like no one looks forward to it. We want good, solid, comfy jeans. So that's what I'm looking for. That is the only thing that's going back in that closet.
Cause if it's not comfortable, I won't wear it.
Look at all these jeans. Just like, why? Why do I have so many? Why, Rachel? Let's pare this down to like under 5. Also, all my clothes all over the floor here. Haven't really touched them except to like, you know, kick them out of the way. Get out of here. Clothes. Poor Christopher can't reach his. I thought I could do this with one hand. Turns out not. All right, guys. We're gonna try on these today. All right, let's do this.
Don't need the pressure from you. No need to put that on me. Just need some fresh air to breathe. Feels like a movie.
Hey guys, we are making really good progress. This is the keep pile, and this is the updated donate pile. Very, very pleased. So my thought process on sort of organizing this closet, I put my hair in a ponytail, by the way, just getting in my way. I want to have easy access to the things that I use all the time. So it doesn't make much sense for me to have all my jeans like out and open when I don't wear them all the time. I want to have things that are here that I'm constantly utilizing. So I want to keep my comfy t-shirts and sweaters and things over here, and then anything that's more dressy, I kind of want to keep more to the back of the closet because I don't use them as often. All right, now let's get on to cleaning the closet because as you can see, my closet hasn't been cleaned in a while. I actually found a package of leggings. I must have bought these while I was pregnant. It was like, well, can't wear these yet. So we're gonna do that. But first I wanna show you guys some of the stuff I bought to organize the closet. Also a shirt from Aritzia, because I can't stop shopping. So one of the things that I got that I felt like would be really good for organizing are these expandable drawer dividers. These are things that I use in the kitchen and I absolutely love these. I think in particular, they'll be really good for like, just splitting up those wider drawers into like functional columns so that you can utilize the space a lot easier without things falling on top of each other. I thought I would try out these, which are just their space-saving kind of closet boxes, and so they're used for like bras and underwear, and it has on here like ties, but they're just collapsible functional containers, and I feel like even if I don't use them for their intended purpose, I can definitely find uses for them between myself and kiddos. Like we can always use a good bin. I love bins. What else did we get? Oh, we got batteries. Needed those. Got some things for my video on Saturday. Those also came in. Okay, what else? I also got these puck lights. I've seen them all over TikTok. People use them all the time in the closet as a way of adding a lot of lightness and brightness and almost that like customized feel with like the pot lights on the ceiling. It just looks very classy. So I figured we'd try them out. They're motion sensor as well. There are all sorts of different ones you can get online. Ones that have like a remote clicker, ones that go in different colors. Like there's just, the possibilities are endless. Also got some shelf dividers, which I'm going to try and use for the 2 upper spaces that were like really congested. And then also some bins. These are going to be great for out of season stuff that I'm not using all the time, and I can just kind of tuck it away and it'll look neat and tidy, and I know I can just like pull those out when a new season is up. Let's get to cleaning the closet and start putting some of these in place and see how they work. Okay, update. I'm just cleaning out my sock drawer and I have, look at this, 6 different mismatched socks. 6. How? I have also taken one of these storage bins here, and it has a little window so you can see what's in it, but I've taken a bunch of my big like wintry sweaters and put them in here, and it seems to be working pretty well. It's a little bit bulky, just as a heads up in case anyone is interested in it, but I do love the big handle. It fits nicely under here. I'm probably gonna get Chris to help me move this drawer up and like move everything up, I think. Just because I find that I would use this more if I did that. I also want to try the little bins with my socks. See how that goes. Wow, okay, I do have some building, I guess, to do. Not gonna make it easy on me. All right, I got it. I do like these bins though. They're nice and light. They have cardboard in the inside, so they're sturdy still. And I feel like these will be really useful. I can have a bin for my mismatched socks, okay? Every single time, another sock from a different pair will go, and then this guy will have a match. It will happen for him. I may use some of the bigger ones too to house some of my smaller, like my little croppies and things. Guys, I didn't even realize this bin that I put stuff in, not bin, the storage box, I don't know. This is the smallest one. There are 3, so this is the smallest one. This is the big one. Look how big it is. So much space. I'm so excited. I like the window idea. I think that's cute. I wish it was more structured on the side so that, I don't know, it just makes it easier to like move it in and out of spaces when you have a restriction to where or like how far it can like bulk out, you know? So that would be my only thing. I would prefer that personally. Alright guys, I just have to show you. This is the drawer divider that I got. So basically this just lifts up the middle. It has this like nice padding on the side so it's not going to slide very easily, and then it just goes into place. It's expandable to as much as you need, and I was thinking actually that this would be a good system for organizing bras. 2 or 3 at a time divider, 2 or 3 at a time divider. I feel like that would be the best use of space for me versus using these kind of like bin things. It's a little bit deeper. I'm gonna try it with like jeans and stuff. I might try it with like these drawers over here. All right guys, it has been many hours and now I want to share with you guys where I'm at with all of this. So first let's start in this drawer, which is entirely different from where it was when I first started, which it was just big bulky sweaters, and now it's like mostly organized. This has to be shorts, but I haven't tried them on yet. Anyway, I'm using the drawer divider here, which I'm loving because then I can have my pants over here, my jeans that I, you know, use on some occasions. And then shorts will go here. I have my bathing suits, little croppies that don't need to be hung up, and I'm using the bins and they fit like perfectly in these drawers. So excited about these. And then in my closet area, what I'm working on right now is I got these cool like dividers that can go in on your shelves and stick in place, and that way you can stack things a little easier without things kind of toppling down. And I thought it was such a cool idea, and it took me a while to figure out how to get them on because they're on there. Once they're on there, it's like really hard to take it off. And I was worried at first because, okay, I'm going to show you guys the other one. So you guys see how it has that like little bar there? So originally I was putting it on the shelf and I was like, well, like, This is an IKEA shelf. The whole thing is IKEA. If it can't fit an IKEA shelf, but you actually have to just sort of stretch it a bit by tilting it on an angle, and like then it'll go on like that. It's hard to do this one-handed, but it'll go all the way back. It'll slide on. It stays in place really, really well. I think this would be great if you have like big stacks of different t-shirts or t-shirt sweaters or whatever it is in a small confined area. I think it'd be good for purses as well, or little clutches. They're nice and clean and simple looking and nice and sturdy. I really like them. They're really good. So I'm gonna see what I can do with them in this space. And I got my little light thing. You can see it is glowing. She glowing. But you can put these wherever you want. So honestly, you can put them in your closet and kind of place them up here and have that sort of like cool custom-y look, or you could put them down here like at the bottom of your bed, and as you get out in the middle of the night, like when I had to go to the bathroom all the time when I was pregnant, then it lights up because it's motion censored. So I think that would be a good idea as well, or for like a kid's room or something. The only issue I had is that the other one isn't working for me, and I don't know why. Both of these have batteries in them. I know they have to be spaced apart, otherwise they won't turn on, but this one won't turn on for whatever reason. This one seems to be fine. It comes in a pack of a whole bunch of them, but you can, yeah, stick them up in the closet. It comes with like little stickies, so you can put them up, and I don't know, I think it looks kind of cool. Don't like that one of them doesn't work, but all right. Especially if you have a very dark closet area, I think this would be pretty awesome. Ooh, I should give you guys an update on where I'm at with how this is organized right now. So up here is going to be my everyday t-shirts and tank tops and stuff like this. Down here are going to be long sleeve shirts, and then I'm moving all of my sweaters up here because I wear a lot of sweaters all the time. Rain or shine, summer or winter, I'm always wearing sweaters. Plus this guy, in case you're wondering why this isn't tucked away in my my winter gear, it's because it's really nice when you go out on the deck at night, you know, just hanging out. It gets a little chilly out there. And then my fancier jackets and fancier tops or whatever, they're all down here, as well as any pants that needed to be hung. I have dresses and things back here, a whole bunch of empty hangers, which makes me feel really, really productive. Some robes. This one, by the way, I get so many of you guys asking where I got this one from. This was actually from a hotel. I had it at the hotel, and I was like, Chris, I want one of these so badly. It's like a sweater, but it's a full-on robe, and it's got like a hood and everything. And so he bought one for me for Christmas. It's from the one hotels. Yeah, it's amazing. It's so comfy. This is the before of the closet. It was very cluttered. There was a lot going on, a lot of things that I just wasn't wearing anymore that just didn't fit me very well, and so I was kind of avoiding. And this is the after. I feel so good. It feels nice and organized. It has all of the items that I use on the regular, just very easy and accessible, and I love how it's nice and organized now. So, yay. Have you guys attempted any declutters whilst in quarantine? If any of you are still in quarantine, let me know. If you guys like this one, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will link all of the other declutters that I have done on this channel. I did the closet ages and ages and ages ago when we completely revamped it. I've done the bathrooms, I've done laundry room, pantry, a whole bunch of other ones. So you can go and check those out if you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a really great week, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.